यस यस। सो नो आज के दिन आपका ब्लाइंड लव भी रिलीज हुआ है, नो
Yeah.
ऑडियंस आर लविंग दैट, सो व्हाट यू वांट टू से अबाउट दिस शॉर्ट फिल्म?
सी ऑब्वियसली आज का दिन थोड़ा ज्यादा स्पेशल रहा है मेरे लिए बिकॉज ब्लाइंड लव मेरी पहली शॉर्ट मूवी आज रिलीज होगी और यू नो एवरीबडी हैज वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम इट बिकॉज द स्टोरी लाइन इज अमेजिंग, द स्टोरी
यस
इज नाइस एंड वी ऑल हैड पुट अ हार्ट एंड सोल इनटू इट बिकॉज ऐसे पेंडेमिक में शूट करना बहुत ट्रिकी था, बट
या
यू नो वी डिड इट एंड नाउ हियर इट इज, सो आई होप एवरीबडी लाइक्स इट एंड last year मेरे बर्थडे के आसपास you know I came out my music album came out Khamoshiyan, and this
यस
time it
यस
is
यस।
Blind Love. So yeah, so I think I you know at times I just love giving my fans a treat on my birthday, so this is one of those.
ओके, सो अलिशा, जब बात किया जाए आपकी मूवी की, तो टू प्ले अ ब्लाइंड कैरेक्टर इज नॉट इजी एट ऑल। तो आपने क्या स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन किया, कितना मुश्किल रहा आपके लिए टू प्ले अ ब्लाइंड कैरेक्टर?
See, it was very tricky at first because you know, if you're blind and you're talking to a person, you're not looking directly to that person, but you know, there are things that your eyeballs cannot move too much, and how you have to convince people that actually you cannot see, and you
या
know they should feel for you. So those are very teeny tiny bugs जो हमने बहुत सारी मैंने you know Korean movies और इस तरह की अलग अलग चीजें देखी for my
जी
reference, and I, you know, read few things on Google also
जी।
about it, and I just tried my best to do it. And our director was amazing, Pradeep Kherwar sir, and he was also very much into it. That you know, he always used to give me new ideas, and we used to try. So it was amazing, and मुझे ना हमेशा ये अलग अलग characters, especially challenge वाले करने में मजा आता है. And I had never done before ऐसा कुछ जिसमें I was blind or something. तो this was my first chance, but यार बहुत हाथ दुख जाता है, मतलब that stick, that cane that you have to you know
Yeah, you have to
hold
carry.
and उसके सहारे आपको चलना है. Oh God, you know after a scene I used to tell sir please थोड़ी देर का rest ले ले, my arm started paining. I'm continuously doing this and Shagun used to say तो क्या treasure ढूंढ रही है नीचे ऐसे ऐसे. So yeah, but it was fun. Yeah.
Okay, so the whole movie shot in Shimla only. So शिमला
Yeah.
में ही शूट करना कितना मजा आया, काफी दिनों के बाद, फैमिली भी थी साथ में, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
See, obviously बहुत मजा आया because
Yeah.
शिमला में shoot था, my hometown here, and this was one of the reasons मैंने क्यों इस short movie के लिए हाँ की थी, because I was like it'll be like a vacation but you'll also be
जी
working, and it was amazing yaar because you know to work in your own hometown is something you know on the streets where you've
जी
passed in your school uniforms for school and this and that, and now you're shooting there and everybody's looking up to you, you know. So
या
it's a different feeling and बहुत मजा आता है हर बार, और टच वुड बट विद गॉड्स ग्रेस मुझे हर बार कोई ना कोई शो यहाँ से रिलेटेड मिल ही जाता है, शिमला से रिलेटेड. सो यू नो
यस।
now for me it's like a common thing to come to Shimla and shoot, so I
I think
enjoy
it's a
that.
lucky charm for you also, जो शिमला से शॉट
Yeah, you can
करना.
say that, you can say
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so Alisha, apart from this, any other project you want to do, anything you want to explore, or any genre you want to explore now?
See, I want to explore. There is, I think I've just started, Abhi. You know, I always see it this way that I've just started my journey, and there are so many still things that I have to do, and you know, so many other genres like I have not yet tried. You know, come across like you know, I'm not seen on any web series till now,
Yes.
and maybe feature film for that matter.
Yeah.
You know, you can say as a matter of fact, and I think I can try for all these things as well. You never know, my next birthday I'm coming up with another something new like this. Yeah, like last time it was a music video, this time
Yeah.
it's a short movie. You never know next time what
You
it
never
is,
know. Yeah.
but you also don't know that you know you have to wait that long for it. Maybe it is happening very much soon, so you can't say anything.
So you are giving a hint to your friends that कुछ नया जल्दी ही आने वाला है.
बिल्कुल आ सकता है अगर हमारा पैंडेमिक का सिचुएशन
Yeah.
थोड़ा ठीक हो और हमें परमिशन मिले कि हम घर से बाहर जाके निश्चिंत होकर शूट कर सके. आई स्वेयर यू नो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव स्टार्टेड शूटिंग एंड
Yeah.
देन जस्ट रैप्ड अप बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग. like we're just keenly waiting कि अभी सब situation under control हो तो everybody will be benefited.
So we are seeing कि आज तो काफी म्यूजिक वीडियोस एल्बम्स भी आ रहे हैं, इवन यू शॉर्टेड फॉर म्यूजिक वीडियो एल्बम. तो आप कितना एंजॉय करते हो म्यूजिक वीडियो एल्बम करना, कितना आप एक्सप्लोर करते हो इस जॉनरा में, क्या बोलना चाहोगे इस पे? वेयर आर्टिस्ट आर गेटिंग मच मोर चांस, better chance than other genres and all.
See, if you talk about music video, I think it's a very good thing. बहुत पहले, I remember when I was very small, the music videos and albums, especially these music albums, was a very big trend. और बहुत famous होती थी, बहुत सारी music videos और albums आती थी. And उसके बाद बीच में it just got lost. And it was all about the Bollywood songs and music in between the movies that we see. Yeah. But now again that thing has started, and I think it's a very good thing, and being an actor for us as well, because we are in daily soaps or something, we are just crying and Sati Savitri and Bichari Ladki, but here it's a totally different genre for us. Like we get to explore so much, or it is something else, I would say. Like you're just seen as who you are, not as a specific character. Like especially gliss nahi lena padta.
जी. happy shots ज़्यादा हमें देखने को मिलता है.
Right.
Okay, so how was your bond with शगुन? कितना enjoy किया? Because मैंने एक जहाँ रील देखा था, आप दोनों काफी ही मस्ती करते हुए नजर आ रहे थे शूटिंग के दौरान और BTS मोमेंट्स में. तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आपके BTS मोमेंट्स के?
See, obviously हमने बहुत मस्ती की है, because shoot शिमला में था, and लेकिन उस time पे it was the time period of this pandemic only. We had shot I think 1 or 2 months before only, not much before. So we all were very much also precautious about this thing, corona and all, and we were taking all the precautions. जैसे ही action होता था, like we used to remove our mask, and cut होते ही we used to again wear our mask. And the sanitizers, बार हाथ अच्छे से sanitize करते थे. We used to make sure that our makeup products that we're using, everything is sanitized. My jewelry used to be sanitized. I used to sanitize it in front of myself. So it's like हमने बहुत ध्यान रखा इन सब चीजों का. And लेकिन having said that, हमने इसके साथ साथ मस्ती भी बहुत की है. उतनी मस्ती जितनी हमें लगा कि safe है ऐसे माहौल में, because we were not very much sure about having street food इधर उधर से while shooting. Because of this thing only, otherwise both of us are very foodie, and because we both are North Indians, so we share the same taste buds, so हमें इस तरह का चटपटा और ये सब बहुत पसंद है. But एक लिमिट में हमने खाया पिया बहुत, और बहुत मजा आया. Like we clicked so many good pictures, and he clicks so much good pictures. मेरी आधी से ज्यादा good pictures उसने click की थी while shoot. and we had fun, like
Okay, so lastly, any final message for the audience who are still waiting you to see on a big screen?
See, मैं सभी fans को यही कहूंगी कि आज का दिन is very much special for me, because it is my birthday, but also my short movie Blind Love is releasing today. तो आप सब please जाइए YouTube पे, उसे जरूर देखिए, और like भी कीजिए, comment भी कीजिए, share भी कीजिए, मुझे बताइए real feedback आपको कैसा लगा, और मुझे इसी तरह ढेर सारा अपना प्यार देते रहिए. And मैं क्या बोलूं यार, these fans, this is like my extended family. They give so much of love. इतने सारे अच्छे comments and messages, letters, and they like we don't start preparing for our birthday. Like हम भी 1 या 2 दिन पहले से ही शुरुआत करते, but they for our birthday like start preparing from a month before. It's like that. So हमसे सारे excitement they have it, and I think what else I can ask for from you all? आप सब बस इसी तरह से प्यार देते रहिए. God bless you all. Stay blessed, or you never know, maybe very soon you can see me somewhere. But इस वक्त stay safe, stay at home.
Thank you, Alisha, for giving your precious time.